This fabulous Hillcrest R floor plan from First Texas Homes is featured in the community of Summit Parks in DeSoto, Texas. This model home includes 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, a 2-car garage, and more than 3,996 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch that offers terrific curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal living and dining room with tray ceilings, double crown molding, and large beautiful windows perfect for entertaining on special family occasions. Pass through the French doors into the private study with tray ceilings, double crown molding, and wainscoting, making this a perfect home office. Also, around the corner from the private study, you'll find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The family room is where you'll find many of our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful spiral staircase with Juliet balcony, soaring ceilings, large beautiful windows, pre-wiring for surround sound, and a floor-to-ceiling custom tile fireplace. The California kitchen features a massive center island with quartz marble countertops, 42-inch cabinets with upper glass doors, upper and lower cabinet accent lighting, stainless steel farmhouse sink with decorative backsplash, built-in stainless steel double oven with built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop, and an adjacent breakfast nook that's bathed in natural light. The private master suite features tray ceilings, double crown molding, ceiling fans, and a cozy reading area with large beautiful windows. The master bath features bi-level vanities with makeup area, a deep relaxing garden tub, a walk-in shower with custom tile, and a spacious master closet. Make your way upstairs and you'll find a game room with plenty of open space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with their friends. The media room features a vaulted ceiling with decorative lighting, a large closet, a wet bar with cabinet storage, and projector and surround sound wiring, perfect for family night. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with high vaulted ceilings, large closets, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bath complete the second floor. This Hillcrest floor plan also includes a covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This marvelous Hillcrest R floor plan is available to be built in the master-planned community of Summit Parks in DeSoto, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Hillcrest R floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.